Last week, taxpayers should have received the proposed tax notice from the county. This notice shows the 2022 taxes and the proposed 2023 taxes. The first thing to look at when reviewing this statement would be the values and classification box. This shows how the property value is changing, if at all. On this example, you will see the property had a market value of $261,600 for 2022, and for 2023, its value is $319,700. The values are set by the city assessors in the county. Each spring, value notices are sent out informing taxpayers of their new value. Questions on values of properties need to be taken to the county during the spring. The value of the residential property determines the property's homestead exclusion, and then that adjusts taxable market value. Homestead exclusion starts at a maximum of $30,400 for houses valued at $76,000 or less. Any amount over $76,000 is taken times 9%, and that amount is removed from the exclusion. So a home valued at $413,780 will not see any homestead exclusion on its tax bill. This value is then used to determine your tax capacity, which is the amount that's taken times the tax rate for the different taxing entities to calculate taxes due. Next, I would draw your attention to the city's taxes for this property. In 2022, the property paid $1,267.94 in city taxes, while in 2023, it is proposed to pay $1,540.78. This is an increase in the city taxes of $272.84. This increase is due to the increase in the home's value and the loss of homestead exclusion. New for the 2023 proposed tax notices is page 2, labeled Supplemental Budget Information. This new regulation was imposed by the state of Minnesota and gives the reader a little more information on the levies and budgets for the different entities. The levy information for the cities is at the top of the page. Summary budget information for the city is off to the right. These amounts include the general fund, special revenue funds, capital improvement funds, and debt service funds. Total revenues for 2023 are scheduled to be $7,922,392, while total expenditures for these funds are $6,786,558. The difference will go into reserves, mostly for a new building, but some will go into streets projects. The 2023 preliminary levy was set at $5,557,690 back in September. This is an increase of $888,100 or 19.2% over the 2022 levy. The levy is broken down as follows. General fund operating, $3,250,000. Capital equipment, $280,000. Building improvements, $870,000. Parks, $450,000. And streets, $360,000. There's also the debt service levies of $20,470 for 2015 bonds and $327,220 for the 2017 bonds. Please note the 2017 bonds are refunded lease purchase bonds that were originally paid for the Police Public Works facility. Looking back at the history of the overall levy, this slide shows the tax levies approved from 2014 to 2023. Over the past 10 years, the levy has increased $2,760,604, or 92%. This would be an average of only 9.2% per year for the 10-year time frame. I hope this answers some of your questions. We will be having a hearing at the December 5th council meeting to discuss this further. Thank you.